So here is the question I always ask instead. What actually happens on an ordinary Tuesday, 18 months from now on, when the excitement is gone and the AI is simply part of how business operates? Now, imagine something changes. A business rule, a supplier's data, a regulation. Who notices that? Who decides whether the AI needs to change? And who actually owns the outcome? And here is the part that matters most. The person who originally built it is no longer there. And it doesn't matter why. Because mature operations never depend on one single individual. If the success of your AI still depends on one person who built it, you haven't built an operational capability, let's be crystal clear. You built a dependency. And that dependency is not gonna scale. This is exactly why I say this. If you don't have a clear answer for that ordinary Tuesday, you don't have an AI capability.